Hey all, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Preeti and I just want to introduce myself. Few days back, few months back, I have started this YouTube channel, and this is related to food, organization, meal prep, etc. From past few months, I was not able to upload the videos very frequent because we have shifted to new house and I was busy into it. Now I'll be uploading a video once in a week. Hope you like my content. We all have heard about the frozen vegetables. Previously I was buying it, but this time I thought to make it. Till the time I started using frozen veggies, I feel it a very convenient, time saving and more healthier option because it locks the nutrient and also prevents from microbial growth. So let's start the video. I have cut the veggies like a spring onion, zucchini, carrot and beans. I'm not blanching the spring onion and zucchini because we want to retain the color and texture both. I'm blanching only carrot and beans. In a small pan, boil water and add 1 spoon sugar and 1 spoon salt, and then add veggies. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes off the flame. We have to completely dry off so that there is no moisture in veggies. I'm also doing it for ginger, garlic and green chili. Previously I used to make it as frozen ginger garlic paste, but this time I thought to keep it as crushed. We have to keep these veggies for 1 to 2 hours in freezer so that it is firm, and then we will transfer it to airtight container. Meanwhile, I'll check if Adi has finished his breakfast. He is very choosy and don't like eating everything, so I'm always little worried about him. So these veggies are now completely frozen. Because of electricity, we have little electricity issue these days, so this is defrosted now. It is raining outside and this is our terrace, which is looking beautiful in this rain. Today I and my husband hasn't done breakfast, thought to do brunch only. So I'm making quick and heavy recipe. I'm making veg fried rice, sorted paneer along with full fry egg. I'm adding oil in pan, and once it is hot I'll add ginger, garlic and onion, and once it is cooked for half minute I'll add the frozen veggies and then add salt, black pepper, fried rice masala along with sauces, whatever you prefer. I have added Szechuan chutney, vinegar and soya sauce. My husband is making tea because we both are big tea lover. I hope you have liked the content. Then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my channel.